In this video we show the features in the group panel in GroupTalk PC Dispatch 2 and how you can work in a flexible way with groups. By clicking on the plus in the menu bar, you get a list of 6 different types of panels that you can add to the dispatcher. Sessions, groups and selected group are the same type of panel, but where the groups are displayed with different information. You can create as many panels as you need. The advantage of displaying multiple panels of the same type is that you can configure them to show what you need to see depending on your workflow. The panels can also be named. For example, South, North. Remember to click Enter to save the new name on your Groups panel. At the magnifying glass, you can search for groups in the list. If you work with several different organizations, a button called All Organizations will appear here where you can choose which organization you want to work with. Now, let's join some groups. Now we will customize the South tab. By clicking on the gear you can customize your panels. All yellow boxes show the settings that the dispatcher has by default. If you want to customize a panel to look like Dispatcher version 1, you can click on Detailed View. Or open a Sessions panel that looks like Dispatcher version 1. Each box represents a type of information. Select the boxes that best suit your information needs. At the bottom of the page, the new appearance of the panel is shown, depending on which setting you choose to have. Click on the check mark to save your settings. Now you can see more information about the users in the South tab. And the Northern tab still has the same appearance as before. Let's open a selected group panel. The selected group panel shows only the selected group. If the dispatcher changes the selected group in the Groups panel, the selected group is automatically changed. To select a group, click on the group so that it turns blue. You can now see that the selected group changes automatically depending on which group the dispatcher selects. You can only have one group selected. Let's explain what the 4 buttons with icons mean in the top right corner. First button with the globe shows all groups that are available to the dispatcher. Now we will show you how to see that you as a dispatcher are in a group. The globe is green. These icons are displayed. And the power button is green. Group is not joined. Group is joined. Second button with the star shows the favorite groups. Select the groups in the list that you want to add to the favorites list. Maintenance and security is now added to the favorite list. The third power button shows joined groups of the dispatcher. You can be in one or more groups at the same time and hear incoming calls from all groups. The fourth button with the mobile shows joined groups with mobile users present. This button is used when the dispatcher wants to see a list of groups where mobile users are connected and to filter out groups without users. Now we will show a PTT call from Jane Doe in transportation.
The truck is ready for loading.
The menu bar shows in which group the last PTT call took place, by who, and how long ago. Repeat last PTT call in the menu bar. Or next to the group in the list.
The truck is ready for loading.
Next to the button for repeat last PTT call there is a microphone button. Click on the microphone and speak out to the group. The operator makes a group PTT call.
Is everyone in place?
Jane Doe is in place.
Furthermore, there are 2 buttons that control what is desired to be heard. Mute and solo. Mute is used, for example, if you are in many different groups and want to mute a group without leaving the group. Solo is used if you only want to hear one of all groups, without leaving all groups. The button with a person shows how many users that are in the group. That button is used to open a new tab with that group. Here you can see how many users that are in the group and the user's name. The button with a speech bubble is used to write a text message in the group and view incoming text messages. You can view incoming text messages in 3 different places from the Groups panel. In the Transportation tab, in the PTT group list, and in the blue notice box that shows who wrote the text message and what the text message contained. Now we are going to open the group text messages from Simon Winter in Transportation. Simon wrote,
"Empty truck incoming."
Operator is responding with a group text messages.
Okay, get ready for loading.
The third button is for viewing the location of users. The location is turned on a user-by-user basis. In admin you set who should be able to see who. Note that some groups may not have access to text messaging or location. This is features that is enabled in GroupTalk admin. Now you're ready to explore the group panel on your own.